what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Okay guys, nag-heat na ako ng mantika. Okay guys, since mainit na yung ating mantika, lalagyan natin sa chicken. Kailangan ang flame is ano lang guys, low flame. Yan. Wow. Dapat hindi siya crowded. Yan, tapos muna. Kailangan guys, ito yung siya golden brown. Every 5 minutes babalik siya rin natin siya para yung kabilang side naman maluluto siya. Okay guys, after 5 minutes babalik siya naman natin siya. Okay guys, haguin na natin dahil luto na siya. I-dry muna natin ito, tapos yung the rest, ganun din ang gagawin natin. Guys, gagawin naman natin ngayon ay gravy. We're going to make a gravy sauce. First, before 3 cups of water, and then ilagay na natin yung soy sauce. 3 tablespoons yung soy sauce natin. Let's now put this one half of our chicken cube. Then, ilagay na natin yung ground black pepper na kalahati yung naiwan natin kanina. And then, ito yung salted ground na bawang. So let it boil, guys. Ito guys, ito yung ano natin, tira natin na breadings natin kanina, yung pinangkot natin. Ngayon, lalagyan ko ng water. We are going to dissolve this in water. Tapos, ibudbud natin doon konti-unti. Tapos guys, low flame lang siya para hindi masunog. And then, budbud na natin to. Halo lang ng halo para hindi siya tumigas sa bottom. So, we're going to taste, guys. Okay guys, tutuloy yung ating gravy. Siya. Nakita yung bubuo, yun yung ano, bawang. Sarap ng lasa, parang Jollibee yung gravy natin. Turn off the stove. Then it's ready to serve. Wow. This gravy is very delicious. This is our gravy. But this is very delicious. Okay guys, ito na ating chicken joy a la Jollibee, guys. Malutong guys, oh, malutong. Let's taste it. Sarap. Sarap. Okay guys, if you want this video, please subscribe here on my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that in case if I uploaded a new recipe video here on my channel, you will be notified immediately. Sa susunod pong muli. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.